Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to create new line inside Google Sheet cell or line break in Google Sheet cell in all Windows. So actually it's not only on Windows but also if you are using Mac, it's supposed to be similar method. There are one or I think more than two methods. Here I just show you about two methods. The first one, very conventional one, very traditional one. For instance, I will copy this text and then here I will open my keyboard virtual to make sure you can see what I press, and then here on, for instance, for every single space I want to make it as a line break. So what you have to do, you just remove the space and then hit the alt and enter like that. Remove the space, alt and enter. Remove the space, alt and enter. Remove the space, alt and enter, and so on and so on and so on. So you could press alt and enter on your keyboard to make it a line break. And then now we go to the second method. I will break these words into every cell, each word into a single cell. So I will transpose split this word. Delimiter is space, hit the enter. Now I have this one. Now I want to make all of these into one cell within the line break. So what I have to do, I click join, and then the delimiter I type in of char 10, which is char 10 or character number 10 is the line break on Google Sheets. And then hit the comma, and then I will drag all the words and then hit the enter. See, now I have create new line inside Google Sheet cell or line break in Google Sheet cell in all Windows, every single words, every single line break. Okay, that's it. This is very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel, or you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. That's our fuel to make a better and better content. See you on the next video. See you on the next video, guys. Bye bye.